Alright, welcome everybody. I'm out here at the plane. They noticed during my last inspection that the Lav, the little honey pot or whatever you want to call it, the little cap on there had a little hairline crack in it. So they ordered me a new one. Right here it is. Part number 17000-527. Got a little authorization release certificate thing with it. I think they said it sells for at Lowe's or Home Depot. You could probably get it for $1.85, but since it was through Textron, I think the parts guy said he wasn't sure, but I haven't got the bill yet for it, but I think he said it's around $125. Crazy. Oh, I hope I didn't just break it as it fell off the wing. Alright, anyways, there's my cap. We're going to go back and take the old one off, put this one on. And actually, I think I might take the old one to Lowe's someday just to see if it fits, if you can buy one. Anyway, I think that's funny. But, fortunately, fortunately, let's get the flashlight so we can see too. Fortunately, we're on Pro Parts. So this is warranted under Pro Parts. If we weren't on the parts program and all the other programs, we'd be just out of luck and have to pay for it out of pocket. So to open this little door, it's got a little button right here. You just push it and pull the little cover off. And I don't even have to take the potty out. Right there's the, oh yeah, so it does have a little crack in it. See a little hairline crack right there? Huh, interesting. So I'm gonna see if I can take it, take it off without, we're gonna do this, take it off right here. Oh, there's a lot of cracks. That thing looks a little brittle. Same part number. Yep. So, there's it is. Let's see if I can open this up. I'm going to set you guys right here. Let's open this bag up. I should have brought a pocket knife. That's okay. We got the old one out. And it doesn't have a gasket. The little gasket is kind of built in. Ooh, that thing is cracked like crazy. I don't know who put it on that tight. I didn't. I don't remember putting it on that tight. All right, well, that's just pressurization. So I'm gonna screw this one on. All right, just not crazy snug, but it's on there. All right, all right. And that's it. And then we're going to take this outside and look at it and show you. Let's put this our little door back on. And the little tabs go behind the little metal part. Just like that. And then you just, there, it snaps right in. And there's our little old cap. I don't want to touch it. Not because it has any cooties on it or anything, but it's got that, a little bit of blue juice that splashed up on it. And I don't want to stain my fingers. So, anyways. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Easy enough. Or actually, I'm going to take it outside and we're going to examine. I'll show you. Let's do that. I'll show you the little cracks on it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look at it. You can see the cracks right there. Yeah. Look how it's like got all brittle. Anyways, glad we replaced it before it started leaking. Alright, thanks for watching.